Greeting everyone and welcome to Yazenkom channel.
Today's video will aim in using mnemonic memory on memorizing the first 30 elements in the periodic table. If you are ready, let's get started. First 10 elements in the periodic table are hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, and neon. Pause the video and see how many did you manage to remember out of the 10 elements. Now remember the two statements about Henry. Happy stand for hydrogen. Henry stand for helium. Life stand for lithium. Became stand for beryllium. Busy stand for boron. Happy Henry life became busy is your first 5 elements in the periodic table. Can stand for carbon, not stand for nitrogen, order stand for oxygen, French, stand for fluorine, Nescafé, stand for neon. Cannot order French Nescafé is your other 5 elements in the periodic table. Congratulations, you collected your first 10 elements in the periodic table. Now pause the video, grab a piece of paper, and see if you could remember the 10 elements using the two statements you learned. Now to learn about the next 10 elements, watch The Magician and remember the words and pictures. Native, stand for sodium. Magician, stand for magnesium. Always, stand for aluminum. Singing, stand for silicon. Perfect songs, stand for phosphorus and sulfur. Climbing areas, stand for chlorine and argon. Knowing cats, stand for potassium and calcium. Native magician, always singing perfect songs, climbing areas, knowing cats. Congratulations, you know another 10 elements with the magician. You can pause the video and test your memory with the statement you learn. Great! Now let's continue the other 10 element from 21 to 30. Again, remember to pause the video and try to see if you could remember the elements. If you feel it's difficult to make one mnemonics that cover everything, then try to make more than one that helps you remember what you need. The whole idea is to simplify it in order to remember it. Maybe the next 10 element can be a good example for this. Watch the next pictures to earn the next 10 elements. Remember, you can do your own mnemonics and put in your mind the words and the pictures. Scary, stand for scandium. Tigers, stand for titanium. Very, stand for vanadium. Crazy, stand for chromium. You remember the first 4 with this statement? Scary tigers, very crazy. Mnemonics, stand for manganese. Feels, stand for iron. Cool, stand for cobalt. Mnemonics feels cool. Nice, stand for nickel. Cup, stand for copper. Zina, stand for zinc. Here is another 3 elements that can be memorized together. Nice cup, Zina. I'm glad you reached to this level. Please don't forget to give like to this video if you find it useful. Join us at Yazenkom channel to receive our latest videos. Thank you and have a great day.